Hey, what's going on guys, Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the onselect method. So or you can say event, which is an attribute. Whenever it happened, you select text from the input, and whenever it happened it gonna trigger that event, and you can from that you can call a function. So for that, what I'm gonna do, I'll give you an example for that. And now just some text, something like some text, and make an input field. And yeah, it would be type of text, and we're not gonna name it anything, but the value will be select me, because we are selecting, right? So after that, what we're gonna do, on select, and it will be a function which we're gonna explore now by creating a script. So just type that. You do not need to specify JavaScript because it will be, and I'm not gonna teach you JavaScript. I say every tutorial, but I'm still gonna say that because I have a full blown tutorial on my playlist. Just go and check it out. So my function, and no parameters, just give you alert of you selected it. So I'm gonna type you selected it, just that. The moment we do that and select it, oh yeah, we forgot to call the function. We need to call the function though. So when we do that, and now we're gonna select it, you selected it. This is what it does. You can do many things with this function. It's just out of this. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.